Okay, morning everyone. We should probably get going. I guess you can hear me okay. So let me welcome everybody here today to this event called the Career Structures in Economics. We're here in the Shaw Library, which I'm reliably told is the most beautiful location in the LSE that we managed to secure for the event. This is an event that's co-sponsored between the European Economic Association, the Stone Center at UCL, and the Hub for Equal Representation at LSE. Sort of the genesis of the idea for this event actually came over a dinner table, a dinner conversation that Ori and I had following sort of an executive committee meeting of the EEA, where there was a very interesting and somewhat heated discussion about some of the issues we'll be talking about today. And you know, Ori and I kind of thought, well, there's a lot of differences, and reasonable people can have reasonable differences about some of the important issues that we as a discipline face. And so why don't we try to think about putting together some evidence to inform policy in this regard? And sort of the chain between evidence and policy is somewhat shorter, perhaps in academia than in other parts of the world. So as a result, the Hub and the EEA co-sponsored a number of different research projects to present evidence today on issues related to the representation, the retention, and the selection of individuals in the profession. And we'll see those 5 papers presented today, and that'll be combined with a policy panel later this afternoon, where we'll have individuals from a number of organizations coming to share their experiences of what's been done in similar organizations and what learnings we might take away collectively from the body of evidence that's going to be presented here today. So in addition to the speakers and the policy panel, I wanted to highlight 2 things. The event continues tomorrow with a GLM IZA sponsored mentorship event where a number of mentees from that network are present here today. So maybe they could just raise their hands so everybody knows who the mentees are. Okay, so it's a fantastic opportunity for us to get to know each other. And so for those who can attend tomorrow and see the mentees present their work, that'll be a really good sort of public good to provide. It'd be very interesting to see some of the work, and hopefully everybody gets to enjoy the day. And let me just conclude by saying a very big thanks to Samira and Lubala, who've really kept the show on the road and put everything together for today. It wouldn't have happened without them. So just have a... So without further ado, I'm going to hand over to the first speaker, who's Petra. Every speaker has been allocated 45 minutes. So the structure is we'll have 40-minute presentations, leaving 5 minutes for Q&As, and we'll delegate to each speaker to decide whether they want to take questions during their talks or combine them all at the end. So over to you, Petra.
Thank you so much, and thank you for organizing. It's been really nice already, and thanks for having me. And so also thanks for the support, which allowed me to collect data, which is what I always like to do. This doesn't work, so that's awkward. I tried to click on it repeatedly, and where do I? Maybe I just stay here then?
No, it's definitely working.
It's not working. Okay, that's what I did.
Oh,
Maybe I'm just weak.
no.
Oh, now it's working.
There.
Okay. So like I'll start with like why should we care about this, which is probably not I don't need to tell you here, but so women are continue to be severely underrepresented in academia and